We are at the Day of Human Towers here in Cornellà. And here we have the Castellers da Cornellà, the local team, which, as I've seen of the T-shirt, also has the support from people from Almat. And they are building a Singasis, so a 5x6. We have both achicados in place, and here we have the Anjaneta up on the first part, the left one, moving over to the right part, putting down her foot there. Yeah, and by that the construction has been crowned. So we have 5x6 on Singasis, carrega by the Castellers da Cornellà. And I don't think there is any doubt that this will be dismantled as it should in a very calm way while we are watching the soap bubbles here at the same time. That forms part of the testamento tradition. We are in Cornellà, Mas de Brega, Catalonia 2011.